All right. Hey, y'all, I'm glad you're back with us. So, what's this next recipe that Jamie and Bobby are cooking up for the old mama? Did I say it had something to do? Well, is it the chicken or the egg? Which came first?
The chicken.
Oh, I think the egg came first.
Yeah.
Actually, the nest came first because
The nest came first. Okay. All right. So tell us what you're doing.
We're doing eggs in a nest, Mom. I've just melted some butter down here, Mom. And I'm going to do 6 of them today, so I've got to...
Just 6?
Just 6. We've got to butter 6 of these muffin spots before we infuse our garlic into our butter.
Okay.
So you don't want to paint it with garlic, but I want to add it now.
Do you need to saute that to pull out the flavor or anything, or just?
We don't want it so garlicky. Just, that'll be perfect.
Okay.
Then we're working with phyllo dough. So
I love phyllo.
I do too. And it's kind of delicate. We have to be careful working with it. So what we're going to do is we're going to use 3 sheets of this.
Your phyllo is like paper thin, unlike your pastry, your puff pastry dough, isn't it?
It is.
And it'll dry out quickly on you. Look how thin that is. Unbelievable.
Okay, and what we're going to do, I'm doing 6 cups. So I'm going to cut this one time down the center. And I'm going to make 2 more cuts.
Okay.
That'll give us our 6 pieces that we work with.
Okay.
Okay, and there's going to be butter between every one of these layers.
Yes.
And this is where we're going to bring our garlic flavor in.
Okay.
And it's okay that it pokes up because this is going to give it our texture and make it look really neat.
All right, so you want to just brush each layer.
Yep, we're going to do that between, so this will help it adhere and kind of stick together.
All right, well, while you're working on those,
Perfect.
That looks perfect. Those are going to be delicious. So what are you doing to?
Well, I got the easy part. I'm just scrambling 8 eggs to make the ingredients to go in our nest.
Can Mama suggest something to you?
Sure, please do.
I tell you what, it would be more beneficial to you if you'll crack each egg into this bowl, because if you've got a bad egg, you won't ruin your whole batch.
Gotcha.
I mean, the chances of you getting a bad egg are slim, but you know, that's better than...
Well, in your case, that'd be 50-50.
Yeah. Wait, which one of us is the bad egg?
Building a nest. Building a nest.
These all look pretty good.
Yeah.
And this is something I learned from you. I'm going to add a tablespoon of water to my eggs.
Water will make your eggs fluffier, so I always use water instead of milk. Milk tends to make your eggs a little on the tough side. Now, if you want really light and fluffy eggs, you can use the hand mixer and really froth them up.
Is that right?
Yeah, and it makes them so fluffy. All right, now, Jamie, you're fixing to put in the nest?
Yep. They have to cook at 375 for about 10 minutes.
Okay.
So I've got some ready to come out. I'm going to put these in here.
Good. Okay, now, son, so you're putting about
Your timing is
a
perfect.
cup of diced ham, is that right?
That's about right.
And about a cup of cheddar cheese.
That's
now, you
about
can
right,
use
too.
any kind of cheese you want, can't you?
Mom, look.
Well, these are my favorites.
When I pull
those
this
are
out,
beautiful, son.
you're going to want to pull them out and let them drain so they can really crisp up and not fall apart on you. So be very careful with them.
All right, and the eggs are done.
Look how beautiful.
Oh, they're just beautiful.
Super, super delicate.
So all y'all are going to do now is just fill these, right?
And this is beautiful. This looks like you've put a lot of work into it, too, doesn't it?
Yeah, and you really hadn't. Okay.
Gorgeous.
Golly bum. These look wonderful. I can't imagine a mother not loving these.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.